Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Midday market update. Gold surges 2.5%. Tiziana Life Sciences shares spike higher. Analysis. http ntvforex.com. News ID 922E02. 7/31/2024 56:25 p.m. Midway through trading Friday, the Dow traded down 0.70% to 26,130.70, while the Nasdaq rose 0.36% to 10,625.88. The S&P also fell, dropping 0.41% to 3,232.78. The U.S. has the highest number of coronavirus cases and deaths in the world, reporting a total of 4,495,220 cases with around 152,070 deaths. Brazil confirmed a total of over 2,610,100 COVID-19 cases with 91,260 deaths, while India reported a total of at least 1,638,320 confirmed cases and 35,740 deaths. In total, there were at least 17,321,390 cases of COVID-19 worldwide, with over 673,820 deaths, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. Leading and lagging sectors. Consumer discretionary shares gained 1.3% on Friday. Meanwhile, top gainers in the sector included Superior Group of Companies, Incorporated SG 6.84%, up 12%, and Jamia Technologies AG JMIA 15.58%, up 19%. In trading on Friday, energy shares tumbled by 2.6%. Top headline. Apple Incorporated AAPL 6.62% reported stronger than expected results for its third quarter and announced a 4-for-1 stock split. The company reported quarterly earnings of $2.58 per share, exceeding analysts' estimates of $2.04 per share. Revenue jumped 11% year-over-year to $59.7 billion, exceeding the consensus expectations of $52.25 billion. Apple's flagship product, the iPhone, fetched revenues of $26.42 billion, contributing 44.3% to the top line. Mac, iPad, and wearables, home and accessories accounted for $7.08 billion, $6.58 billion, and $6.45 billion of revenues, respectively. Equities trading up. Sonnet Biotherapeutics Holdings, Incorporated saw 90.38% shares shot up 76% to $5.12. Plasma stocks traded higher after President Donald Trump encouraged Americans who have recovered from COVID-19 to donate their convalescent blood plasma as a treatment for the virus. Sonnet Biotherapeutics, last week, reported preclinical results from initial efficacy study exploring combination of granulocyte macrophage colony stimulating factor with interleukins 18 and 12. Shares of Tiziana Life Sciences plc TLSA 31.73% got a boost, shooting 60% to $7.90 after the company said it has submitted a patent application for the potential use of nasally administered foralumab, a fully human anti-CD3 monoclonal antibody, for the treatment of COVID-19, either alone or in combination with other antiviral drugs. Zion Oil AMP Gas, Incorporated ZN 101.65% shares were also up, gaining 98% to 54 cents after the company disclosed that it has received drilling plan approval for next well in Israel. Equities trading down. Precipio, Incorporated PRPO 47.86% shares tumbled 50% to $3.50. Precipio shares jumped 469% on Thursday after the company reported the commercial launch of coronavirus antibody test. Shares of SM Energy Company SM 23.78% were down 24% to $2.648 after the company reported downbeat quarterly sales. The company also reported a loss for the second quarter. Socket Mobile, Incorporated SCKT 29.78% was down falling 26% to $1.7350 after the company reported a Q2 loss of 13 cents per share, versus a year ago profit of 2 cents per share. Commodities. In commodity news, oil traded up 0.1% to $39.95, while gold traded up 2.5% to $1,992.40. Silver traded up 4% Friday to $24.285, while copper fell 1% to $2.885. Eurozone. European shares were lower today. The Eurozone STOXX 600 fell 0.88%, the Spanish IBEX index fell 1.7%, while Italy's FTSE MIB index declined 0.71%. Meanwhile, the German DAX 30 declined 0.54%, French CAC 40 fell 1.43% and UK shares fell 1.1%. Economics. US personal income fell 1.1% in June, versus a revised 4.4% decline in May. Personal spending climbed 5.6% in June following a revised 8.5% increase in May. The employment cost index increased 0.5% for the second quarter, versus analysts' expectations for a 0.6% rise. The Chicago PMI increased by 15.3 points to a reading of 51.9 in July. The University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index declined to 72.5 in July, versus a preliminary estimate of 73.2. The Baker Hughes North American Rig Count report for the latest week will be released at 1:00 p.m. ET. Data on farm prices for June will be released at 3:00 p.m. ET. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.